Way number 11. Click and sell photos. This is suitable for people who have the passion for photography. Skills required: ability to take versatile and creative photos. Time required for starting photography. If you are an experienced photographer, you can start almost instantly. If you are new, you might need time to learn photography. Learning time completely depends on how quickly you grab the concept. Things you should know before selling pictures. Number 1. Sign up at the following website. Upload your photographs and start earning money once people start buying them. The name of the sites are iStockphoto.com, Alami.com, GettyImages.com, and Fotolia.com. Second, remember, creativity is really necessary for photography. You will have to bring more professionalism and creativity in your photographs to start earning a good income. Merely taking random photographs from your cell phone or a digital camera is not going to work here. Third, you can even start your own photography website and sell photographs directly from there. So, what do you think? Does this method fits with you? If yes, then